everybody. Hi, and welcome to the February 18th, 2022 edition of News from the Front Lines. It's going to be a very, very short update here. Kind of knee deep in the middle of tax season and things are busy, but I just want to take a minute to update you on some things that are changing. I guess with the IRS in forms of their processing things. So I guess two biggies here is that one is that IRS has moved around some resources here, so they've basically reallocated some of their staff to help with some of the processing. So there is still I forget how many million, it's a high million number of paper returns that are still out there ready to be processed. So they're all working on that, as well as stopping with the sending out of some of the electronic notices. So they've stopped a few things that were, I guess, causing more phone calls and more processing errors. Aside from that, we're not really noticing very much new as far as issues going on here. It seems like things are going relatively smooth with the e-filing and the form updates, and some of the things that we had troubles with in weeks past seem to have kind of worked themselves out for the most part. And we also don't know yet as far as how fast the refunds are going out, because most of the things have just been filed, and we just now get to the point where some of the money is being dispersed. So it's hard to say exactly how that's being affected by all these staffing issues, but it looks to be getting a little bit better here. So we will talk next week about some of these rules. I did start to put down some plans as far as I guess some key points when you're planning your business, and that we'll have it slide up there if you want to take a look at that. But that's for next week, because really this week we just got to get through it, because it's hectic as it is now with all the 1099s and W-2s in, and the processing of these tax returns is really in full swing. So enjoy the weekend. If you're somewhere nearby where a parade is, like we are, it'll be not as productive of a weekend as we would like it to be, but enjoy it. You only live once, right? So that's it for this week. Things are busy, but seem to be getting a little bit better with the government agencies. So with that, have a good weekend, and we'll see y'all out here at the same place next week.